Oh yeah, we got the parrots. We got the parrot crew. That is fucking crazy. Oh, I gotta try this again. Holy shit, that was fucking awesome. That was like Indiana Jones and shit. Oh shit. Oh fuck, I'm on fire now. I didn't intend to do this on fire. Bam. Whoa. Oh no, I'm dead. I'm fucked. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Dude, there's so many skeletons down there.
Whoa, this place is fucking crazy awesome. Whoa, there's more! Ah! Oh, no, that killed me. I'm on the side of their boat.
You got a lightsaber.
Ah!
Anchor.
Hold on.
Come on, Dan, you got this.
Anchor. You anchor. He got it.
Oh, hell yeah. So,
Nice.
let's work those guys first because I'm on the boat right now. Guy sees me. I miss. Got him. What's up? Come on, bitch.
Good God, we're running dry here.
All right, we're off.
Killed him. That's 2.
They're all fucked up.
I got 2 of them. Ah, they got me.
I'm getting. Oh, I got killed. I got shot in the back.
I got this guy. Oh yeah, I killed one of them. That's you. I'm trying to get them to move.
Yeah.
Put the, you know, the anchor's up. Here, go kill the guy repairing downstairs.
Got him.
Nice work.
Filling up.
Alright, I got their boat moving. You know how much that fish was worth, Mike?
Probably a lot.
Yeah.
Which kind was it?
The fucking one that's like $25,000.
Somebody's right here.
Wow.
Here?
Yep. He killed me. He's in the water right behind the boat.
Nice, Dan.
Oh, Matt, what are you doing?
Getting crazy with it.
Might be able to find Zach
He
easier
ran
than I
into a
can
rock.
find you guys.
Oh, look, they're taking my ship. Okay. Okay, you can do it. Oh, you missed. Get me. Come on. Jesus Christ, you guys. You can do better than this. Holy shit. You got this. You can do it. What, are you going to get another gun? Jesus Christ, you... Okay, man.